Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Jeep and it's a Wagoneer. So this one is a 2022 Jeep Wagoneer and the casting is by Matchbox. It was new for 2024. I just finally got it on my hand to open it up and review it. By the looks of it, it looks to have a good detail all around. So let's open it up and see how does it look. And by the way, when I do this, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. So here is the Wagoneer out of its packaging, and the first thing you will notice is this awesome paint job, which is very different from normal SUVs. Normally you get those in black, silver, white, but this one is different, it's red. Also you can see this big sunroof and a smaller sunroof because it's a 3-row SUV and it's quite big, so they ended up having multiple sunroofs. Interior is done in beige, and I think a lot of cars actually have beige interiors and a lot of wood in it too, but I don't think Matchbox can show wood in the interior, especially in their mainline. They don't do that many details. So let's start from the front. So up front you can see it's nicely detailed. You've got detailed headlamp, detailed grille, Wagoneer on the bonnet. You also got the lower grille, which is detailed, and fog lamps. You also got the silver trim that goes all around it. Some nice details up front. You can also see the skid plates. Not like a proper skid plate, but there is something saving the engine. Now let's move to the driver's side. So these wheels we have seen on different Matchbox SUVs. I've also seen some on Matchbox moving parts, and they look good here. They actually look nice on a vehicle like this. Also you can see a black running board, but then again all the trim on the side is color matched. It's a premium SUV, if I'm not wrong. Here in Canada and US it's close to $100,000. So not this one, the actual car. So you can see how big the rear window is. It's a big SUV. Also on the side you can see it got mirrors, handles. Again, I don't remember them to be different colors, so it's all right here. Fuel filler cap. That's all for driver's side. Coming to the back, again nice details here. You can see Wagoneer written on the side. You got detailed tail lamps. I think it's Wagoneer here, but it's so small, can't really read it. Also you got the black bumper and you got footstep into it. I think so. Maybe it's a spare, I'm not sure. You can see the 7-seat configuration inside the 3 rows. Passenger side looks almost identical, same as the driver's side, just no fuel filler cap here. This is how it looks from the top. So we talked about those 2 sunroofs. Got the shark antenna here. It's also got both the wipers, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall I would say it's a really nice looking mainline casting and would go really well with some of the recent SUVs Matchbox has done. So yeah, I'm gonna try maybe make a quick short video with all of them. But for now, if you see this, grab this, and I'm pretty sure you will have other color variations of it. So if you don't like the red, just wait for a white or a black. It'll look good too. Well, those are my thoughts on this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.